Hi, I'm Foxy Cabbage, and if you're wondering why I'm dressed like a nurse, it's because I am one. I'm here to tell you about 3 things that are vital to life. That's food, money, and health. The way those 3 things interact together can either make us sick and poor or happy and healthy. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Learning Lab. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of an update on some projects that I'm working on right now. Most notably right now, I am doing a project where I'm going to see if we can take insect poop and turn it into algae and turn that into shrimp and turn that into stir fry, right? So the first step in the project is I'm taking black soldier fly larva frass, which is the poop from black soldier fly larvae. And I'm using that, I soaked it in water and then strained out the solids, and I'm using that solution as a nutrient solution to feed spirulina, which is the type of blue-green algae that is edible for humans and also for shrimp. So we're gonna try eating the spirulina when it grows in quantity, but we're also gonna use some of that spirulina as feed for red cherry shrimp, which are these tiny little dwarf shrimp, and then we're gonna eat those too in some stir fry. I'm a big fan. Maybe we'll even put some quail eggs in there, scramble them up. So this is what we've got going right now. Over here, I have the initial experiment that I set up. This is the lab media, and this is the black soldier fly larva frass. So what we're doing here is we have our control and our experimental to see how the spirulina grows with the frass, contrasting it with what the typical lab provided nutrient media would be. Now, once I set them up though, I saw they're so tiny. There's barely any media in there just to be able to cover the bottom of that. It was only about 1/4 cup of fluid, and I thought, well, gee, that doesn't make for the greatest experiment. I would love to have a little bit more volume to work with. Thankfully, I also like to make sauerkraut. I just learned to ferment last year. So I have these gallon jars that are intended for fermenting sauerkraut, and they have a wide, broad base across the bottom. So we set up the exact same experiment, but using 8 times the volume over here on this side. So here we have the experiment working with black soldier fly larva frass, and then next to it, the same thing set up with the lab media. Every day we swirl those around to aerate the culture, and I'll tell you what, there is basically no growth yet. We started the experiment 8 days ago, so today is this day 8 or day 9 today? And what I did yesterday was I went ahead and added additional nutrient solution and additional inoculant to all 4 of the containers because we really weren't getting any sort of significant growth. So we're gonna see if that kind of picks up this week. I can't wait to update you guys all about it. That's all I got for today. You guys have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe. Thanks.